Mighty StormGuard rear wiper blades are specifically designed for rear windshield applications. This brief video will take you step by step through the removal and installation on vehicles with slide pinch rear wiper arms. To remove your current wiper blade, lift the wiper arm as high as it will go and pinch both tabs in the middle of the wiper blade so it disengages from the wiper arm. Pull the wiper blade out of the wiper arm end. Attach the 5C adapter into the wiper blade. To ensure it's securely attached, insert the adapter at an angle so the tabs on the side of the adapter slide into the wiper blade. Firmly push the adapter down until it locks into place. Insert the back of the adapter into the wiper arm until it locks into place. Give the wiper blade a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. And finally, lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. That's it, you're done. You now have 360 degrees of superior visibility.